Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. It's DJcdub and we're back with another video for you today. So today is going to be a really quick video, just going to be a sound test for the JBL EON One MK2. So this video has been a long time in the making. This is going to be no frills, just going to let it play out and enjoy. So the only thing I would note for this video is that I have the bass set boosted about 3 dB because that's how I'm going to be playing it. So I wanted to hear the real world test, not just a flat test of how it sounds, because this is how I'm going to be playing it in the field. So I want to see how it sounds, the range I can get, and the sound that the people who are going to be listening to it is going to have. So with that said, enjoy. Alright, so thank you for watching. So that was a sound test of the JBL EON One MK2. We'll have more test videos coming up. For the meantime, enjoy some of my other videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.